As you can see, I finished. And these are the categories: birthday kids, birthday ladies, birthday men, friends, encouragement, get well for adults, kids, romantic. Those are like the really special cards. Sympathy, thank you, thinking of you. And then over here I have holidays and special occasions. These are all the blank cards, which there are a lot of them. And then they have one category, patriotic blank cards. Saved all the envelopes, because you never know. And I put the rest of the cards in over here so that if there's another category, they still have them. So then I put a label on each one, and they're good to go. So, organized, happyhapper.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.